Hello, guys, welcome to Plan Professor. Like Hero Honda, like Maruti Suzuki, Tesla in talks with Reliance to set up EV manufacturing arm in India. Tesla may be scouting for a local partner to set up its operation in India. Highly placed sources says that US electric vehicle major is in talk with Reliance Industry for a possible joint venture to build the manufacturing facility in the country. Right now, Tesla and Reliance talks are at initial stage, have been ongoing for over a month. Said a person aware of the development. So the Mukesh Ambani-led company Reliance India Limited going to enter in automobile industry. The main objective of Reliance India company is to build capacities for electric vehicles in India. 2023, Reliance India Limited in partnership with Ashok Leyland launched India's first hydrogen internal combustion engine powered heavy duty truck. And they also unveiled removable and swappable batteries for EV last year.